Need help deciding between threaded and stem casters? We're here to help. The terms threaded and stem refer to the bolt that connects the caster to the shelving post. Threaded casters have a 1/2 inch bolt with 12 threads per inch. Because this is the same as our leveling feet, they fit Shelving Inc. brand wire shelving no problem. They will likely not fit other brands of wire shelving, which is why we sell stem casters. The bolt on a stem caster is thick enough to act as a plug inside the bottom of posts, but are difficult to remove, making them a more permanent mobile solution. Stem casters are compatible with our brand of shelving posts after you remove the threaded insert in the bottom of the post. Please note, stem casters are not guaranteed to fit all brands of posts. All threaded casters come standard with brakes. On the other hand, our stem casters can be purchased with or without brakes. Our casters are available in rubber or polyurethane, each with their own advantages. Rubber casters are ideal for outdoor use. As they're more malleable, bumps and shocks are absorbed by the wheel, making it a better choice for transit over rough surfaces. In contrast, polycasters are much more dense and may fracture when rolling over rocks, so they are best for indoor transit. They're especially great for use on hardwood or tile floors. To install stem casters, make sure there aren't any connectors blocking the opening. For instance, our posts have a threaded insert in the way. If you have trouble removing the insert, you can use a gripping tool like pliers. If it's particularly sticky, try grabbing the insert from the interior and exterior edge to turn. A 14mm hex tool can also be helpful. The bushing, or this half ring, helps to hold the caster in place once installed, and should not be removed. Now, just insert the plug into the bottom of the post. You may need to tap it into place with a rubber mallet. To install threaded casters, first add the locking washer, which helps prevent the caster from untwisting once attached. Then, simply twist the caster into the post. The major difference between the two is that the stem caster isn't coming out anytime soon, but you can easily remove the threaded caster without any tools. If you have any questions, leave us a comment or feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.
Shelving.com. We rack your world.